Hello friends, I am back with another interesting video. Today I gonna show you how to create PayPal account. So guys, let's start. Okay, firstly open up any browser and go to paypal.com. Okay, it's official site of PayPal. Now simply click on sign up. Here is two options. In individual account, you can send payments only, and in business account, you will get complete access. So I am going to create business account. Select business account and click next. Okay, now in I am looking to accept payments. Here is three options. Select anyone from here. It's depend on you. Okay, in the second one, select your monthly sale volume. And in the last one, select your currency. Okay, now click next. Okay, now type your email address. Which email you want to set for PayPal account and click submit. Now create a password and click submit. Okay, now select business type individual. In product service keywords, select anyone from here. It's depend on you. In the purpose code, select anyone. It's depend on you. Okay, now type your PAN number. In the PayPal CC statement name, type your full name without space. If you have a business website, you can type here your website and click submit. Okay, now type your first name, middle name, last name, select your country, type here your date of birth. Okay, in address section, type your PIN code, your full address, town or city name, select your state. Okay, in business information section, type your mobile number, select your primary currency. If your business address same as home address, tick this box and click agree and continue. Okay, it will open account setup page. Okay, here we have to verify email address. Simply click on first. Let's confirm your email address. You will receive confirmation mail from PayPal in your email. After confirm your email, now link your bank account. Okay, if you know your bank IFSC code, select IFSC code. If you don't know, select bank name location and find your bank. Okay, enter your bank IFSC code and your bank account number. Now select account name, business or personal. Then click link your bank. Okay, here for confirm your bank account, click request deposits. PayPal will send two small deposits in your bank account. Okay, again click on linking your bank account. Now again enter your IFSC code and bank account number. Tick here, use this bank for automatic transfer and click link your bank. Okay, now enter two deposits amount that PayPal has sent to your bank account and click confirm. If you didn't receive any deposits from PayPal, close it for now and log out your PayPal account. Okay, now again log in your PayPal account. It will open your dashboard. Now go to Money tab. Okay, you can see in the bank account section, here is still pending confirmation. Okay, now you can see here in card section, link a new card. Okay, type your debit or credit card number here. Then select card type. Type here your card expiry date. Then type here 3 digits of your card security code. Then click link card. Within few seconds, you will receive one-time password in your mobile number. Enter the code and click make payment. Don't worry, it will not detect any balance from your bank. Alright, now you can see my debit card has been successfully confirmed. Now simply click done. Okay, now go to your bank account. Here you can see my bank account also has been confirmed. Okay, now you can see everything is almost done. Your email address is your PayPal account address. Now you have to complete KYC process. Okay, go to summary page. Okay, you can see here is asking for complete KYC. Click on see details. Okay, click agree and get start. Okay, now submit your full details with your documents. Enter your name, date of birth, your documents ID number, and you also have to upload your ID proof and your bank account proof. Okay, then simply click submit. KYC will be approved within 48 hours. Okay, your email address is your PayPal account address. Now you can send or receive payments from PayPal. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.